In this video, we will create a simple calculator using Hugging Face. Open ChatGPT and Hugging Face. Now type this command. I want to create a simple calculator using static on Hugging Face. Give me step-by-step instructions and code. ChatGPT will give you step-by-step instructions and a code to run on Hugging Face. Now go to Hugging Face and click Spaces. Click New Space. Type Simple Calculator in the space name. Add a short description. In the License tab, select MIT. Click Create Space. Now click Files. Now open index.html file. Copy the code from ChatGPT. Delete everything and then paste the code. Now click Commit Changes to Main. Now go to App. Your app is ready now. Let's test it. Subscribe for more videos.